Hello friends, welcome to Kishore's YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll see electrical engineer interview question. Friends, crack your interview. Know the top 10 questions for you for electrical interview. Before proceeding, I would request you to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get such videos first and whenever they are published. I'm planning to release series of videos for electrical interviews so that they can help you to crack the interview and get the job as required. So friends, let's see the questions. Why synchronous generators are used for the production of electricity? Synchronous machines have capability to work on different power factor by varying the field EMF. Hence, synchronous generators are used for the production of electricity. Enlist types of DC generators. DC generators are classified into two types: separately excited DC generator and self-excited DC generator. Self-excited DC generators are further classified into series, shunt and compound. The compound generators, which are further classified into cumulative and differential. What is the difference between synchronous generator and asynchronous generator? In simple terms, synchronous generators supply both active and reactive power, but the asynchronous generator supply only active power and absorb reactive power for magnetizing. These type of generators are used in windmills. Give two basic speed control scheme of DC shunt motor. By using flux control method, in this method, a rheostat is connected across the field winding to control the field current. So by changing the current in the flux produced by the field winding can be changed, and since speed is inversely proportional to the flux, speed can be controlled. Armature control method. In this method, a rheostat is connected across armature winding. By varying the resistance, the value of resistive drop Ia into Ra can be changed, and hence, since the speed is inversely proportional to Eb minus IaRa, the speed can be controlled. What is the principle of motor? An electric motor works on a principle that when an electric current is passed through a conductor placed normally in a magnetic field, a force acts on the conductor, as a result of which the conductor begins to move and mechanical energy is obtained. What is meant by armature reaction? The effect of armature flux to the main flux is called armature reaction. The armature flux may support main flux or oppose the main flux. What is polarization index value, or it is called PI value, and what is the simple definition of polarization index? Polarization index is a ratio between insulation resistance value for 10 minutes to the insulation resistance value of 1 minute. It ranges from 2 to 4 for new motors, and normally for a motor to be in good condition it should be greater than 2.5. Polarization index test. The PI test measures the ability of the insulation to absorb voltage over the period of time. This gives an indication of overall insulation quality of the individual pieces of insulation in the transformer. This test is usually performed in conjunction with the Megger test. What will happen when power factor is leading in distribution of power? If there is a leading power factor or higher power factor, the losses in the form of heat will be reduced. Cable becomes less bulky and easy to carry and very cheap to afford, and it also reduces overheating of the transformer. What is significance of vector grouping in power transformer? Every power transformer has a vector group listed by its manufacturer. Fundamentally, it tells you the information about how windings are connected, whether they are connected in delta or they are connected in Y, and the phase difference between the current and voltage. For example, DY11 means primary is delta connected and secondary is star connected, and the current is at 11 o'clock referred to the voltage. What are the advantages of VVVF drives over non-VVVF drives for EOT cranes? The advantages of VVVF drives are smooth start and stop, no jerking of load, exact positioning, better protection for motor, high-low speed selection, reliability of brake shoe, programmable brake control, easy circuitry, reduction in control, and increases the motor life. So friend, I hope this information was useful for you. Please subscribe my channel for such informative videos. Thank you friends and all the best for your interview. Thank you. Take care.